Alright guys, we are back at the VetMed Science Library, starting off with a beautiful view of this Christmas tree right here. Looks like A&M is decorated for Christmas. Free snacks? Well, no, I don't need any snacks, but I appreciate it. And yes, for those of you watching this video, if you guys have finals, good luck with that. I hope you study hard and do well. And this is how the Christmas decoration surrounds the entire information desk. Okay, well anyways, this is what I want to show you. It's time for an update on this elevator right here. Do you guys remember this elevator? This thing was like groaning really badly. I mean, that pump is, oh my gosh, that pump is gone totally insane. So let's see how well this thing's doing. And I'm probably gonna upload this video either later today or something because I really need more content and I'm totally running out of it. I don't know if I'm gonna get it uploaded today or not, but I might though. All right, let's see how well this thing runs. An official December 2023 update. All right, here we go. This thing is running a lot better now. Aside from that big jolt. Yes, she's running better today. Oh, this is beautiful. Opens right into the Christmas tree. It's been fixed now. I unfortunately didn't have time to check this out when I was last here back in late September, but now it's December. I think I checked on this thing, I think it was back in April 2023, so this thing have already been fixed like a long time ago. Oh, perfect timing. I love that Christmas tree lighting up. Normally when it starts with a big bump, did you see that? The door like literally stopped for a minute and it just opened. Well, I think that's kind of a bit of a minor issue. I'm gonna see that again, see if it still does it. Well, at least she's running a lot better today, which is good. Indicator's completely burned out, but I absolutely love that chime. All right, here we are. All right, so watch it close. All right, there it goes. There's my tripod right there. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video where we get a view of this Christmas tree right here. I'm so glad that elevator's finally fixed now. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and Happy Christmas.